Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Google Wallet app. You will go to settings. In this first page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Google Wallet and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Google Wallet. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us